Every year, lakhs of students, they apply for UPSC CSC examination to become an IAS or IPS officers. So out of those lakhs of students, only thousands of students, they will clear prelims. And after this thousands of students who clear mains, they will get interview call. So in this long journey of UPSC CSC examination, mains is very important. So it is not about how many books you read, so how much content you have. It is about how you presented in the examination. So to master the presentation skills, answer writing practice, it is the only thing that you can do. So practice, practice, practice. So practice makes man perfect. So we came up with this daily mains answer writing course, and this course which started on 10th October, that is today. So tomorrow we are going to have an orientation regarding how this course go on, and even if you attend this live Zoom webinar, then you can understand how to write a mains answer and how to address question, because there are a number of keywords that you can see in the question. So how to address those keywords and how to write an essay and how to answer case study, you will be getting know about those things if you attend this free Zoom webinar. So this Zoom webinar which is conducted tomorrow, that is on 11th October 2022, and it is at 8 p.m. So this is free for all, and you can get ID and password for this Zoom webinar in the description box. So please do save the ID and password, and I hope you will join the webinar in tomorrow's session at 8 p.m. and we are going to meet on live. Thank you so much.